Yesterday, Ravi said one word, hello. It was small, but something changed inside him. Today, the real challenge begins. Last night, Ravi stood in front of the mirror. He whispered, hello. It was not loud, it was not confident, but it was a start. And every journey begins with a start. The next morning, Ravi did something different. Instead of checking his phone first, he opened his notebook. He wrote at the top, Day 2. I will speak 3 sentences today, not 30 sentences, not perfect English, just 3 simple sentences. He looked at himself again and said, My name is Ravi. I want to improve my English. I am not afraid to try. His voice was still shaking, but less than yesterday. Fear was still there, but smaller. Later that day in class, the teacher asked a question in English. Ravi knew the answer. His heart started beating fast again. His hands felt cold. For a moment, he wanted to stay silent. Inside his mind, two voices started fighting. Voice 1 said, Stay quiet, you will make a mistake. And voice 2 said, If you don't speak now, you will stay the same. Ravi closed his eyes for 1 second and remembered his promise. Slowly, he raised his hand. The class turned to look at him. His voice was not perfect, but he spoke one simple sentence. That sentence was not powerful, but it was brave. The teacher smiled. She said, Good try, Ravi. No one laughed, nothing bad happened, and Ravi realized something important. Most of his fear was only in his imagination. Maybe you are waiting to become perfect. Maybe you are waiting to feel confident first. But confidence does not come before action. Confidence comes after action. You see, the problem is not English. The problem is overthinking. Fluency is not magic, it is daily courage. Day 2 task for you. Speak 3 sentences today in front of a mirror or record your voice. Don't check grammar, don't stop, just speak. This was only day 2. Ravi is still not fluent. He is still afraid sometimes, but now he is moving, and movement kills fear. Tomorrow he will face a bigger challenge. Are you ready for day 3? Tell me in comment box.